Greetings everyone, Joseph James here from theschooloftrade.com, and today's your term and quiz of the day. Now guys, here's how it works. There's going to be a quiz at the end of this video, guys. All you have to do is click on the link in the description of the video that will take you to our blog, and then post your answer on the blog. Now the first five correct answers, that is, will qualify for things like free beginners courses, right? 20% off the advanced course, and the rules are posted in the description, right, of the video. If you want more information, guys, about how to participate in the quizzes, just email us. That's sales@schooloftrade.com for more information. All right, now I want to do the raffle here real quick, guys. All right, so raffle time, end of the month, right? End of the month here. So of course, got my all the names of all the top 5 answers that came in all month. I want to, of course, thank you guys all for participating in the quizzes, and good luck here. Now we're going to start off by raffling off 3 beginners courses. All right, 3 beginners courses. Then we'll do the 20% advanced course, and then we'll do the monitors, the mouse, right? Let's see who we get here. Right? Drum roll, please. Always so exciting come raffle time. Close my eyes here, and let's see who we get for the first beginners course. Chad P. All right, there's our first beginners course. 2 more. Let's see here. Who's next? Victor Lee. Victor, you won last time too, didn't you, brother? Congratulations. Yep, Victor Lee, second beginner's course. All right, no cheating here. No cheating. Let me close these eyes here. Let's mix it on up. Last beginner's course here. Last free beginner's course goes to Paul S. Paul S., you're the winner of the last beginner's course. So we got 3 free beginners now. Now let's ratchet up the stakes a little bit more here. All right, here's that 20% off advanced course. Boy, that's almost $800 value here. This is an $800 value right now. 20% off the advanced course. Let me stir it up really good here, because that's one of the best prizes we've got. And this is going to go to Jacob R. Jacob R, wherever you are, buddy. That's a 20% off discount for the advanced course. There's the Jacob R for the advanced course. And then let's draw for our optical mouse, right? One of these cool Logitech optical mouses. That'll help you guys, of course. Precision trading. Let's see here for the mouse. Who's going to get the optical mouse? Ethan. There you go, buddy. Ethan. He gets the optical mouse. And let's do one more. This is a 19-inch flat screen monitor. High resolution, of course. Some of the best in the industry. Let's see here. Who's getting the flat screen monitor? We've got Mick M. Mick M, there you go, buddy. Flat screen monitor goes to Mick M, and there's your raffle for the month of February, guys. If we called your name, all you've got to do is either pick up the phone or email us, sales@schooloftrade.com, and claim your prize. Of course, congratulations to all the winner. If you didn't win, right, come back out and keep trying, guys, because everyone has an equal chance to enter, and you can increase your chances by answering those quizzes correctly. Now, let's get started for the month of March. The term of the day today is mental versus physical stop losses. Now, a mental stop versus a physical stop. Now, this may be a brand new idea for some of you, right? And hopefully you're going to get a chance to kind of see why. Now, we always use a stop loss to protect against unexpected moves, right? I think everybody knows that, right? Everybody knows by now we always use a protective stop, okay? Because the market may go out of control. Whether it be because something happens in the news, or maybe your charts freeze up, or maybe you just fall asleep at your desk, right? Whatever it is, we need to make sure we plan ahead for unexpected news, or unexpected moves. So it's your protection against unexpected moves. Now, there's 2 types of stops that I use. I use a physical stop, which might be 6 ticks, for example. It's placed in the market for protection, and it's not used as an exit strategy, right, guys? This is one of the biggest things that I think I see regarding managing stops, is that most new traders are going to think my stop loss is my exit. Well, guys, the stop loss is not meant to be your exit. It's meant to be your worst case scenario, right? It's protection against unexpected moves. The mental stop, though, this is where the trade becomes invalid. All right, so at this point in the market, this is where we would no longer want to be in the trade anymore. And the reason why we use a different mental stop is because how many times do we ever see a trade go 4 ticks against you and then reverse and go +4, +8, +20? Right? Very, very seldomly does do that. In fact, in all my experience, I'd be willing to say probably less than 10 times, right, in the last 10 years, have I seen a market go 4 ticks against me and then reverse and go 4 ticks in my direction and then continue to go on and fill my profit targets. Okay, the idea here is that if a trade goes 4 ticks against you, there's a very low likelihood that the risk on that trade is going to be worth the reward. And of course, we watch our indicators for an exit at a mental stop. Okay, so a physical stop is placed, for example, 6 ticks back to be your worst case scenario, right? That's your protection in the market. Okay, to protect against some unforeseen situation. But I'm not going to use that as my exit tool. I'm going to use a mental stop. The mental stop is where I have determined this trade is not working out. I need to get out of this trade now. And I use specific indicators, right, as well as time to be able to tell me when to get out. Right, now, why do we use this? Right, what's the most important reason that we use a mental stop? The first thing is to cut losses early. Now, we've heard this so many times, right, guys? Cut your losses early, let your winners run, right? That plays over and over as in our minds as traders when we fall asleep at night, right? Cut losses early, let winners run. But guys, that is so much easier said than done, right? We begin to justify staying in the trade. Our emotions kick in and we start recalling previous experiences of when we saw it go -4 ticks and then go +4 ticks. So immediately when I see the trade go against me, remember, our minds are programmed to think positive, right? Think on the brighter side, right? The glass is always half full. Well, it doesn't work so well in trading because when I'm going against my position, I don't want my mind to be thinking, it's okay, Joe, it'll probably reverse, because it probably will not. Okay, you'll be saying that until you go 0 in your account. All right, guys, so we use this. The biggest reason is to teach you guys how to cut your losses early. Don't just simply wait for it to hit your stop. Get out early and save some of that hard-earned capital. And stop justifying the reasons to stay in. Remove those emotions. If you made a mistake, get out, wait for the next pattern, and move on. Okay, so a mental stop, I'm going to look for price action to slow down. I'm going to watch for the indicators to move against my position, and I'm looking for an early exit, right, to limit risk or potentially to maximize profits. Now, we look for a combination of these 3 important indicators: the MACD, the momentum indicator, and the pace of a tape indicator. Now, I know I should be getting out of my trade as soon as possible. If I'm in a long trade and I have the MACD below the 0 line, momentum is pointing down, and the pace of a tape is red, I need to get out of that trade as soon as possible. So that would be where my mental stop comes in. So I have a 6-tick stop, right? Physical stop of 6 ticks. My mental stop is now going to be when I see the MACD below the 0 line, momentum curls and points down, and the pace of a tape is red for my long position, right? That's when I trigger my mental stop. In other words, when I see those 3 indicators line up, I now know the trade is invalid. And it's probably going to rip my head off if I leave this position open for very much longer, right? So use that mental stop. Now, time for a quiz. Time for the first quiz of the month of March. If you didn't win that flat screen monitor you wanted from February, guys, here's your first chance. Put those pens and papers away, eyes off your neighbor. All right, what's the most important reason to use a mental stop? Mental stops, right? Where the trade becomes invalid. The mental stop, what's the most important reason? Is it to limit losses by exiting early? Is it to protect your position? Or is it to practice your counting skills? Which one is it? Is it to limit your losses by exiting early, protecting your position, or to practice your counting skills? What's the most important reason to use a mental stop? Now, if you know the answer, do you know the answer? Just rewind the video. We told you right in the video. Simply follow the link in the description and post your answer on our blog. The first 5 answers are going to qualify for beginners courses, 20% discounts, flat screen monitors. And guys, don't forget, you can be the first 5 correct answers to post those on the blog. We'll see you guys tomorrow, Tuesday morning, 7:45 a.m. we open the room. Hope you guys had a good time with the video. Hope you guys won the raffle. If you didn't, make sure you guys answer these quizzes correctly, and we'll see you guys back in the room tomorrow morning at 7:45 a.m. Hope the video helps. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye for now.